Guess what I'm doing today? I'm gonna go pick out some gifts for my friends at the Micro Center. Micro Center? If this is micro, I'm fucked. I have a $1,000 budget for gifts for friends, but there's another deal going on. It's like a huge discount on this super expensive monitor. The monitor is like $1,300 or something. And then you guys know the keyboard I like. It's like $150 unless I'm wrong. Well, it's not even for both. It's just the monitor is discounted and then you get the keyboard for free. Oh my God, if this is the Micro Center, imagine the Macro Center. There's no sidewalk. What am I supposed to do? Do I just have to walk like a train? Will the car stop for me if I'm like a train? Choo choo! Chugga chugga chugga. Thank you again, ASUS, for sponsoring today's stream. What? Micro Center? That's perfectly average to me. So either I will literally buy myself the monitor and get the free keyboard and not get anything from my friends, or Mr. ASUS will be so gracious to double everything. Because I really want it. I wasn't part of the sponsor deal to be dropped off in the hood. No, I wanted to go eat. There's a bunch of different US deals and Canada deals. They don't all have the same deals. So browse them. We made it. Micro Center, computers and electronics. Oh, I finally found the Micro Center. It wasn't as hard to find as the Nano Center. Micro Center? That's okay. A lot of people have this condition. If this is the Micro Center, where are the micro edges? Here's the entrance to the Micro Center. I can't wait to check out the ASUS ROG Black Friday deals. What? No way! The only thing micro about this center are the Black Friday deal prices. Are you guys trying that out?
Yeah.
That was my favorite.
Yes?
This price is wrong. They have a Black Friday deal right now.
Yeah?
Just so you know.
Okay.
But you should get that one. It's my favorite keyboard I've ever used, but that price is also like the original price that they haven't updated yet. I like this one and also the white one, like this tiny one. Yeah. But this is the one that I always use. I prefer the gray on the white one as opposed to the gray on the black one. And it's not for a racist reason, I just like it that way. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? So there's that one. And then this one is the same one. This one is my second favorite. This one is the Strix Scope 296. Okay, we'll do a... Can you even hear it well? This one is clicky. Can you hear it? Oh, hi. Are you checking out these?
Yeah.
Oh, did you know this price is actually like the original? No, it's like the original price, but right now they have a Black Friday sale, so there's a discount. They just haven't changed it yet. Yeah.
Yeah, these are some nice.
I use this one, it's my favorite. That was my second favorite. Don't you like it? It's so small and it feels nice, right? Yep.
I wish you had one.
These are way better than AirPods quality-wise, and they're on sale. They're on sale. I think I've seen the headset and mic. This one, I've literally done streams with these. And one thing that really got me super hard about this one is that when you tap it, it's not a button, you tap it to mute. These, highly recommend. ROG Citra Speed, wait, which one is the one I got? This one, I got the white ones, of course. Headset-wise, you guys know I don't really use headsets, but I got this one, I believe. Delta. For as long as I use these, it didn't hurt my head, but I need my wired earbuds. These, I'm pretty sure, are really similar to the Razer Viper V2 mice, but they're like cheaper. They're cheaper, but like also better. And it's really light. It's light and it's like longer for like if you're playing FPS games. Are you guys talking about keyboards?
Yeah, we're talking right now.
Can I recommend you the perfect keyboard?
Yeah, sure.
It's right here. It's not even that far away. It's this one. ROG ASUS.
Yeah.
First of all, it feels good, and I like the color, and the OLED is really crazy.
Yeah, I was looking at that. I thought it was just a screen at first.
Yeah, it's the best keyboard I've ever had. And this is original price. They have Black Friday sale right now.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm gonna look into it. Yeah, I just came here. I came for a whole PC build, but I
Oh.
keyboard until we just started walking.
This is the best keyboard I've ever had.
Thank you.
Yep, no problem. I'm gonna just here. You too. Guys, can I be a salesperson? If I didn't have a mixer with like a $500 microphone, if I just wanted a plug and go, this is what I would use. I'd use this ROG ASUS keyboard. I would use this mic in white, of course, ROG Carnix microphone. And then I would use these ROG Citra True Wireless. Wait, this is one I got. No, this is one I got. I don't know the difference, to be honest, but this one says ROG Citra TWS Speed Nova. And then mouse, I like how thick this one feels, and it's like, there's a caress thing happening here, you know? I like oh, this one's nice too. I'm thinking I should harass one more person. I'll harass one more person, and then we can go find the monitor deal. The price is wrong. It's actually cheaper right now because there's a Black Friday sale. They just haven't changed the price. Yeah, sorry. I'm really passionate about these keyboards because I use that one. It's my favorite one that I've ever used in my entire life.
Oh, nice. What's the right price then?
I think it's like 210 or 220 or something like that.
You're good at selling it.
Thank you. I love
my
it.
First gaming PC ever. Right now.
I highly recommend. I will say this keyboard was better than my $800 custom keyboard. I use this over my $800 custom keyboard because I love it so much.
I like the way it sounds.
Yeah, me too. And I like the way it looks. I also don't get paid if you buy it. I'm just like really passionate about this one. Another one assaulted. Here it is. Look how big it is. This is comparison with my hand. This is comparison with my head. What is this doing in a micro center? It's not small at all. None of them are actually $2K, right?
No.
Okay.
No. It's 1,000 and it's 1,200. They're
Okay.
on sale. I know the $1,000 one is actually, I believe, the one on the left here is the $300 off one actually.
Okay.
So it's, yeah.
$300 off. Oh my god. And free keyboard.
And free keyboard.
Oh my god, it's that big.
It's a big box.
Okay.
I'm a big guy.
Wow.
I'm almost 6'2", and this thing looks
Yeah.
pretty nice size next.
Whoa. All right, there are some nerds who want to know the specs on this.
It's 4K, so it's gonna be 38.
What does 4K mean?
It's like measured volume pixel density.
Oh, okay.
So it's like it's a height and a length.
Okay.
And they just call it 4K.
I always thought 4K meant $4,000.
I know a lot of the OLED panels are going to be color graded by the factory, so it should look really, really good. There's not really too much you got to do to it to get it set up. I just plug and play, and I didn't worry about it.
Yeah, I will do that too. I only have 15 minutes before the store closes, so I have to hurry. I was a little bit selfish, and I got my items, but I didn't get anyone else's items. So first, I want to get Nick, Arthur, and Emily ASUS keyboards. Okay, I got one for Nick, one for Arthur, one for Emily. Are any of these on sale? What's the difference between these two? That's what I was wondering earlier.
The Citra, these are, I believe this is going to be the newer one. This one can do Bluetooth, and it has a little dongle for USB connection.
Ooh,
so
okay.
It doesn't have Bluetooth, you can just plug it in.
Okay.
And or if you're worried about like delay with Bluetooth, you can just plug it in and you have like a dedicated connection, even though it's still wireless.
Okay.
It's still dedicated going to the computer, so no delay when you're like using it.
Ooh.
It's like more meant for computer use and for like nicer gaming use.
Okay, and then this one will be like just for phone use.
Phone, it's Bluetooth. I mean, you can connect it to anything because it is Bluetooth, but it is going to be primarily like more.
$250. Can I get 2 of these, please? I mean, I already have one. I'm gonna give it to my mom and my brother. Perfect. And then I'll have $100 left. Do you think Asta would like this? Maybe I'll give Asta and Cutie, instead of giving my brother, I'll give earbuds and this one, because this one is so pretty. Oh, nice! Okay, I'm satisfied. Oh my god. Yes. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Okay, I'm good. Thank you very much, ASUS. Thank you, Dylan. I will head out now.
Yes.
Yes, thank you for your help.
Center was fun.
Yes, I enjoyed it. Everyone was helpful. Thank you.
Thank you for asking my customers.
Yeah, no problem. He said, thank you for harassing my customers. Wow, Micro Center? That felt really big when I was in it.